Hey, guess what? There's two pretty ladies over here. The greatest apparel shop. Hey, what is it called?
Faith, Hope, Aloha.
But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shout out. Get all along. Awesome. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting. I'm going to do a Filipino dessert called cascaron. And I'm here at the meat department. It's going to be unbelievable. First thing you need to do, you need to get mochi ko. You see the mochi ko over here? Yeah? You put in about 3/4 of the box of mochi ko. Simple, only 4 ingredients. Then I get some brown sugar. Yeah. That's about a 1/4 cup brown sugar. Okay? I'm adding 1 cup of coconut. The coconut. Okay? Then I add in 1 cup of coconut milk. Just about there. Okay? Then I stir them all up. Just in a paste. Okay? Okay? So all I had was the mochi ko, the coconut milk, the coconut flakes, and a little bit brown sugar. Put the oil in a pan, just about 2 inches of oil. You can deep fry them. Okay, check when the oil is hot. You can tell because the chopstick comes a little bit burned, right? It's kind of like sizzler on the chopstick. Then, what I do is I deep fry these, right? I'm going to do a more like different shapes, yeah? I'm just going to make small balls like this, okay? Okay, I just drop them in any kind of shape, but you know, you can make a really nice and round, and you know, people put these actually make them round and put them on stick. But you know me, I don't know if they're kind of patient at times, so I just kind of like drop them in. So you kind of fry it on both sides. Awesome. Okay, I think it's about ready. Okay, put it on the plate with napkin, just like this. It's gonna look good already. Okay, right there. I'm not done yet. I'm gonna have to make the great sausage. What I do now, okay? Put on a saucepan, right? So simple to make the sauce. Put about 1/4 cup water, about 1/2 cup brown sugar. Okay? And you kind of like mix it up. So what I'm doing, I'm mixing on plain. Come on, dude. Get them up. There you go. Cascaron right over here. Okay? It's gonna look good. Let's see how it tastes. There you go. Oh! Oh! Man, it's so hard. Oh! Filipino is here. Naimas. Oh, this cascaron is unbelievable. The problem is this. Cannot stop. Oh! So until next week, we see you on the Man and the Pan. Oh, this bagaona. Oh, look at all the meat guys. You're getting all jealous.